This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Stacy Zeller. Welcome to Sandpiper Towers. This 2B/3B beautifully updated condo has endless amenities, including direct beach access. Looking to call this home or for an investment opportunity? Look no further. From the open floor plan, wood plank tiles, and not one but two full suites to the balcony overlooking world-famous A1A with partial ocean views, this unit feels more like a house than a condo, with plenty of room for everyone. Building amenities include not only same-floor storage, laundry, and game room but also a resort-style pool and private beach access. Investors, this building allows for weekly rentals, but is also popular for seasonal and/or full-time tenants. The location can't be beat, with walking distance to dining/shopping and quick access to Pineda and I-95. Book a showing today. For more information.